Uh-oh. That's gonna kill my ass. It's gotta be like half chilies. There's so many chilies that it's bitter.
Whoa.
Dude, your face is swelling.
My tear is coming out.
Don't touch your eyes.
Actually, that's not that spicy.
It's building up.
Okay, like it's spicy. It is building up a little bit. I'm gonna hiccup. I'm gonna hiccup. Accept the hiccups.
This guy over here, he's got hiccups. He's saying it's not that spicy. That's dumb spicy, dude.
Whoa.
It's not even yummy. It's so many chilies. It must be like 20% pork, 80% chilies.